Hello everyone, myself Siddhi Jadhav from BE Civil Engineering, Gharda Institute of Technology. My project partners are Ms. Chitrangini Chauhan and Ms. Snehal Harde. Our project name is Treatment of Saline Water Using Electrocoagulation under guidance of Professor V.D. Kamble sir. Introduction of Electrocoagulation. Electro means applying an electrical charge and coagulation means changing the particle surface charge. Electrocoagulation is the process of destabilizing suspended, emulsified, or dissolved contaminants in an aqueous medium by introducing an electrical current into the medium. Scope of work. It is environmentally friendly, low power requirements, it is cost effective, treats wastewater in minutes, not days, low maintenance and operative cost, small area required, fully automated, sludge minimization, less wasteful, no water bills, minimal order of emissions, break down solids faster, treats potential diseases, wastewater treatment system eliminate disease causing bacteria and kill harmful organisms. It can lead to better quality effluent. EC treats water without the need of chemicals. Following table shows the data about literature review which we have studied research papers. Aim of our project is to investigate the efficiency of electrocoagulation process using electrodes in removal of contaminant materials from saline water. Objective of our project is to determine efficiency of the electrocoagulation treatment to treat saline water, to provide safe treated water to reuse, provide treated water in minimum cost, to study different parameters such as pH, current density, applied voltage, type of electrodes, size and number of electrodes, inter-electrode distance, temperature, arrangement of electrodes, and operating retention time to treat saline water. Electrocoagulation treatment system depends upon these factors such as solution of pH, type of power supply, current density, electrode arrangement, type of electrode, electrode gap, electrode shape, type of salt, mixing speed, operation time, etc. Methodology of this project is preparation of synthetic wastewater solution of different concentrations. Next, determination of initial characteristics of the sample of wastewater prepared in the laboratory such as total dissolved solids, electrical conductivity, pH, turbidity, chemical oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand, sulfates, bromine, chlorine, etc. Preparation and setting up of the electrocoagulation reactor, identifying the material required for electrocoagulation setup, mixing up of different materials, putting electrocoagulation reactor into operation. Next, checking the characteristics of different strain samples after reaction time by varying the reaction time, by varying the voltage parameter, by varying the current parameter, by varying the strength of solution, by varying the combination of electrodes such as aluminum, copper, iron, carbon, zinc, etc. and by varying the clear to clear distance between electrodes. To find out best combination by comparing different operational parameters. Comparing the results with initial characteristics in order to know the efficiency of setup at different operational parameters. And next, formation of conclusion at the end. Materials required for our project are different types of electrodes, jar, DC power supply, alligator clips, USB cable, Arduino Uno, motor drive shield, and magnetic stirrer. Characteristics for project work: pH, hardness, TDS, electrical conductivity, turbidity, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, color, total organic carbon, alkalinity, dissolved oxygen, chloride, current density, and temperature. Pre-analysis. Because of pandemic, we done this project in our home. You can see in initial setup diagram, there is 9 voltage battery attached to 2 electrodes which is deep in the solution. After some time, the heavy pollutants of the solution are settled down and light pollutants of the solution are floating on the surface of the solution. After that, filtrate the solution and you can see the clear water. Reactor setup diagram. This is reactor setup diagram and specifications of the reactor setup. Reactor size width is 20 cm, length 15 cm, depth is 15 cm. Volume of treated water is 3 liter for each run. Number of electrodes 7 aluminum plates. Dimension of electrode is 10 cm by 10 cm. Electrode surface area is 100 cm square. Thickness of electrode is 0.1 cm. DC power supply and magnetic stirrer. Strategy or procedure for parameter analysis. Take 6 number of trials. In first trial, apply current density is 0.5 mA per centimeter square. After each trial, increase the current density by 0.5 mA per centimeter square. In each trial, take reaction time is about 0 to 100 minutes. After each 20 minutes, measure the characteristics of the sample. At the end, compare the results of each trial. By combining study of research papers, we plot a graph. Graph shows that how efficiency of electrocoagulation treatment system improves by these factors such as reaction time, pH, temperature, inter-electrode distance, and stirring speed. Conclusion. Maximum remole efficiency of every parameters. Total dissolved solids maximum remole efficiency is found to be 92.3%. Chloride ions maximum remole efficiency is found to be 91.2%. Chemical oxygen demand maximum remole efficiency is found to be 80.8%. Turbidity maximum remole efficiency is found to be 84.3%. Effect of various parameters on EC process. Effect of temperature on EC process. An increase in temperature and increase in treatment efficiency due to increased movement of ions. Optimal temperature is found to be 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. Effect of stirring speed is on EC process. When the stirring rate is raised, pollution forms, combines and attaches together, and thus precipitation and mass transfer occur more easily. Optimum stirring speed is found to be 250 to 500 rpm. Effect of inter-electrode distance on EC process. An increase in distance between the two electrodes leads to an increase in the resistance between the electrodes, requiring greater potential to overcome and therefore causing an increase in the treatment cost. Optimum inter-electrode distance is found to be 0.5 to 1 cm. Effect of pH on EC process is pH ranges between 6 to 8 gives more remole efficiency. Comparison of remole efficiency of various secondary biological treatment processes. Remole efficiency of trickling filter is 75 to 90%. Remole efficiency of activated sludge process is 85 to 92%. Remole efficiency of constructed wetland is 25%. Remole efficiency of aerated lagoon is 20 to 70%. Remole efficiency of aerated lagoon with surface floating aerators is 80 to 90%. Remole efficiency of stabilization pond is 83%. Remole efficiency of oxidation pond is 65%. And remole efficiency of rotating biological conductor is 40 to 85%. These are some drawbacks of the EC system. Electrodes are impermanent, difficult to active consistency over longer duration of results. Active fine running is required. These are some reference papers which we have studied. This project is prepared by me, Ms. Chitrangini Chauhan and Ms. Snehal Halde under guidance of Professor V.D. Kamble sir.